In the previous video, we explained what a public chain is. In this issue, we will focus on what a private chain and an alliance chain are. The first is private chains, which establish rules of entry as to who can view and write to the blockchain. They are permissioned environments. Private blockchains are also not decentralized systems because there is a clear hierarchy in terms of control. However, they are distributed and many nodes still maintain a copy of the blockchain on their computers. Private chains are more suitable for enterprise maintenance, because enterprises hope to enjoy the advantages of blockchain without allowing external network access. In some private chains, proof of work is redundant in the context of a security model. However, it turns out that for an open environment, proof of work is again necessary. In a private blockchain, not using POW poses no serious threat because the identity of each participant is known and managed manually. In this case, a more efficient algorithm is to use designated validators, which are nodes chosen to undertake certain functions in order to perform transaction validation. Typically, this includes the nodes that must sign every block. If a node is behaving maliciously, it can be quickly discovered and removed from the network. With the top-down control of the blockchain, the coordination of the entire system is much easier. So what is an alliance chain? The alliance chain is between the public chain and the private chain, combining the characteristic elements of both. In terms of consensus, we can observe the most significant differences between consortium chains and private and public chains. The consortium chain regards a small number of participants with equal power as verifiers, rather than an open system like a public chain, allowing anyone to verify blocks, nor a closed system like a private chain, allowing only one entities to appoint block producers. From here, the rules of the system are very flexible. The visibility of the chain can be limited to validators, authorized persons, or visible to all. As long as there is a consensus with the verifier, it can be easily modified. As for the function of the blockchain, if these participants are able to act honestly according to the preset threshold, then nothing will happen to the system. In an environment where multiple organizations operating in the same industry need a common infrastructure to conduct transactions or relay information, alliance chains will be the best choice. Joining such a consortium chain is also very beneficial for organizations, as it will allow them to share insights into the industry with other players. In essence, public, private, and consortium chains are not contradictory, they just use different technologies. A plethora of blockchain options exist for individuals and businesses engaged in a variety of activities. Even across public, private, and consortium chains, there are many different user experiences depending on complexity. Based on actual usage, users can choose the product that is most suitable to achieve their goals.